So I have a quick update for everybody. I've now helped 5 people sign up for my free signals at various brokers, and I'm hoping to get as many as possible so they are able to copy my successful strategy. So we have 3 trades in, and for the 5 people that have signed up, they also have these 3 trades in. So I thought I would use this time to talk about these trades and explain to you why they were taken and what kind of outcome I see happening. Alright, so you can see the push up. This pushed up here, came back down, made a new high, broke this past high, made a new high, went back down, and it has broken that last high, and now we are at a new high currently. Alright, so my initial order or trade or setup was done with these 2 candles. So push up, this candle made a new high from this previous one, and we had a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle, and the bullish candle that made the new high was followed by this inside bearish candle, including the wicks. So that is an indication to take a short position or a sell position with anticipation for the market to go down. Alright, that obviously didn't happen, and we entered a second and a third trade, which I'll talk about in just a second. Alright, so the first trade position was done a little bit late on purpose. Initially the order would be down here, but that's good that we entered a little bit late, because since the price is going against us, it's better to be in where we are now instead of down here at the bottom. So entry 1, 2, and 3. But what's interesting about, well, first off, you can see that price did not move down on entry 1. And so we entered again, and this was entry 2, right in here. And wasn't quite right on the second entry, didn't move down, right? So now we took a third position, right in here. And the third position is pretty special, and there's a big reason for this. If you look at the price, it says 1.76020, right? In this area, there's a lot of importance when it comes to trading in general, because it's a round number, or a whole number, you could say. It means that we're right around 1.76000. And when price reaches these significant levels, you'll see a lot of up and down around them, or you could even see a shoot up right at, and then a complete reversal right at the round number. That sometimes can happen as well. But what you can expect is increased volatility and indecision potentially around these round numbers or whole numbers. And so what a lot of times will happen is the initial price of the push up will kind of stall out, and it will do this up and down around the whole number, and then it will decide what it's going to do. And that means it may just shoot up, launch up, or it will just all of a sudden fall pretty hard down. But it will go into this tight indecision area and then make it its decision, and it will pop up or down in one direction. And so that's why this area up here is pretty significant, because we could easily have a push back down from where it is currently, or it could bounce around a little bit and then shoot up, and then we'll have to enter trade 4 and 5 and potentially a 6 up there once it goes higher. And that's okay, because if you look at the risk right now, 520, we're not even at 0.5% risk right now. It's not even close. Well, I guess it's about 0.4%. So you can see that even with 3 trades open currently, we still have a lot of room, still have a lot of margin, which means that we can enter a lot more trades. And so we're in a very good spot right now, especially considering that the round number, and it looks like we're getting some action even right now at that round number with the potential for it to move down. And when traders start seeing a indecision up here and potentially some movement on the downside, more traders will jump on, pushing the price down further. and it's just kind of like a chain reaction when that happens. All right, so currently that's what's happening. I thought hopefully this video was helpful, or this portion of the video was helpful for those that are involved in my trades right now, and giving some understanding and giving the whole picture will make it easier for you to understand the strategy and be more comfortable with it. That's why I release these videos, to help you with that. All right, so right now you can see that this is the platform. This is the trading platform that actually does all the trades for me. You can see my robot here up the top. That's what's taking all these trades currently. You can see the entries. Okay, and I'm doing this on a virtual server. So this is what I'm going to be talking about in my next video on the website, which I'll give you guys an update about. This is a virtual server, so you basically will buy a virtual server through for a monthly fee through a third party or company, and it should be a Windows server. And for those that have Macs that are having trouble with installing the trading platform, this is a very good solution for you, because it means that you can have a virtual server, so a computer somewhere in the world that you can have access to. And see, this isn't even my computer. This desktop that you're looking at right now is a purchased VPS server where I can install all of my trading software and programs and use it, and even go on the internet as well. But you can see at the top, it's part of a server, and this is the server address. And if I minimize it, you'll see that now I have my regular desktop, which is really messy, by the way. But the server is really cool because you can take all my steps that you saw on my website and install your broker software on the server, and it will always be connected to the internet. So that means that I don't have to keep my computer on connected to the internet, my personal computer connected to the internet at all times, because now I have a virtual server that's always connected and taking trades 24/7. It's a really cool solution. It does cost $8 a month is what I'm looking at currently, which is actually pretty cheap for a reliable VPS. Now I'm going to be having you or recommending you this company that I'm using right now, because they've been really great. It's a fast server too. I have two programs, or two pieces of software running, or two MetaTrader 4 platforms running currently, and it's still very zippy, which is not what I've received with other VPS companies. So I really like these guys a lot, and it's only $8 a month, and it will make your life much easier. It doesn't mean that you can't copy my trades for free completely. As long as you understand that you need to keep your platform, your trading software on and connected, or your computer on with your trading software running, connected to the internet, as long as you understand that, then you can have my trades copied to your account for free. But if you want to make things easier for yourself, try a VPS server, and for $8 a month, and kind of streamline this whole trading thing. All right, so I thought I'd give you guys an update on that. That should hopefully be up on the website with a tutorial video today at some point, and you should be able to check that out. So for those of you that have already signed up for my free copier, I would recommend looking at that to see if that's an option that you want. Obviously, it's not necessary, but it's there if you need it. All right, I think that's it for my update today. I'll be trying to give more updates in the coming days, especially if I have trades like this that need some explaining, and hopefully this will help guide people in trading my strategy. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.